Phone Microscope. Looking for a great phone microscope? One that will capture students' imagination and attention?
The only thing better than a smart microscope that gets students excited and keeps them engaged is a smart microscope that gets students excited, keeps them engaged, and has wireless technology that's compatible with iOS and Android mobile devices. That's exactly what you get with the Smart Microscope iGo 2 by Smart School Systems. Similar to its counterpart, the Smart Microscope 5M, the iGo features a dynamic video game-like experience, a learning portal with 60 investigations in the 5E model that are aligned to over 25 state science education standards, and is a cost-effective solution that allows you to serve an entire classroom for less than the cost of a single traditional microscope. But with the addition of its free iOS and Android app, the Smart Microscope iGo 2 gives you the ability to take pictures and record videos on your iPhone, iPad, or mobile Android device. The iGo 2 is a great tool for showing your students what they're looking for in their traditional microscopes, and a thrilling way to review what they've already seen. Imagine how this breakthrough technology will transform your classroom experiences and ignite your students' interest in science to a level you never thought possible. With a crystal clear HD image, a 5-year warranty, and excellent customer support, the Smart Microscope iGo 2 is a no-brainer. So ditch the outdated educational tools and leverage the modern technology that your students are already captivated by. Contact Smart School Systems to request a quote for your school today.
Imagination is the key to unlocking learner confidence. Inject endless imagination into your classroom. Engage your class with an immersive visual learning experience. Maximize class time and engage students with collaborative learning.